What? What is happening? What the hell was that password? I can't remember it. Why it's happening to me? Hey, what's going on guys? This is Amir Hussain and you are watching Trick I Know YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to unlock a password or reset a password of any Windows including Windows 10. In this video, I am using a software called Windows Password Key. This software allows you to reset your password using a USB drive. So let's see how this software performs. First, log into a working computer nearby you. Then open your browser, or you can also check my video description for the link. Open this page. This is Windows Password Key website. You can see there is two options, free download and buy now for $20. The difference between them, with the free download you can reset your Windows password using CD or DVD, and if you buy it for $20 you can reset your password using USB flash drive. Just select your versions and continue. I have a pro version provided by Windows Password Key team. Once you downloaded that application, just install it on your PC. Then just click next, I accept, and then install. Here our application is installed. Now plug an empty USB drive to your computer of any size. Here my USB drive is. Now open Windows Password Key application. Now here it is. You have to skip the step 1 because there is a ISO file selected. This software uses that ISO file to make bootable media. Just jump to the step 2. Select CD DVD if you have free version and select USB drive if you have full version. I have selected my USB drive. Here is my USB drive guys. Make sure to back up all your files from your USB before doing this. After that, make sure that your USB is selected and click on burn. Do you want to go on now? Yes. Then wait for few seconds. Now here you can see the burning process is successful. Now click on OK. Close this application. Now you can see your USB will turn into this. Now eject your USB drive. Now guys, our password recovery USB drive is ready. Now I'm going to reset the password of that laptop. Yes, that. So guys, I just plugged my USB drive into this laptop and now I'm restarting it. While restarting, get ready to press the boot menu key of this laptop or your PC to open boot menu. In the boot menu, you have to select your USB drive and hit enter. Here the Windows Password Key program is started. Now guys, select your Windows ID. In my case it's showing 1. Now here you will find a list of user accounts. Select the user on which from you want to remove the password. Just select your user account using the ID number. Mine ID is 5. Press Y to continue. Here you can see guys, reset of trick is successfully. That means now my window is unlocked. Now it's asking for reset another account. Press N to no. Then press any key to restart your laptop or PC. Now let's see it works or not. Windows is not asking me for a password. I'm very happy right now. Now I can complete my incomplete works without any password. So that was my video on how to reset a Windows password. If this video is helpful to you, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe my channel with the bell icon for more videos like this. Thanks for watching Trick I Know YouTube channel. See you guys in my next video.